Welcome, engineers. Today, we're exploring the Gas Density Interactive Calculator, a tool that solves fundamental gas property calculations using the ideal gas law. Whether you're designing HVAC systems, analyzing combustion processes, or sizing pneumatic equipment, this calculator quickly determines the relationships between pressure, temperature, molecular weight, and density for any gas. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the Calculation Mode dropdown, which offers 6 options. Calculate gas density, calculate pressure, calculate temperature, calculate molecular weight, calculate mass from volume, and calculate volume from mass. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate Gas Density. Next, we have pressure P in kilopascals, temperature T in Kelvin, and molecular weight m in grams per mole. The calculator also includes density ρ in kilograms per cubic meter, mass m in kilograms, and volume phi in cubic meters. These last 3 become inputs or outputs depending on your calculation mode. Let's work through a practical example. Imagine we're analyzing compressed air in a storage tank. We'll enter pressure as 500 kilopascals, temperature as 293.15 Kelvin, that's 20 degrees Celsius, and molecular weight as 28.97 grams per mole for dry air. Click Calculate. The results show density ρ equals 5.92 kilograms per cubic meter, and specific volume V equals 0.169 cubic meters per kilogram. The calculator confirms our input values and displays the universal gas constant R at 8.314 joules per mole Kelvin. These outputs tell us the air density is nearly 6 times atmospheric density, critical for determining tank capacity and compressor sizing. Remember, always use absolute pressure, not gauge pressure, to avoid significant calculation errors. Find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this technical tutorial.